Welcome to GlowBabyTV. GlowBabyTV. Do you know the fastest way to make a messy room feel like magic? Sami loves to play. He forgets to put toys away. That's okay, not forever. But today, Mama has a surprise find. A tidy treasure hunt.
First, we gather all small toys into the basket, one by one.
Find all the red toys first. Race time. Ready, go! Great! Now the blocks go on the shelf. Neat stacks, not piles.
Wait, Dad. Where did the missing sock go? Detective Sami to the rescue!
Under the bed. A tiny sock hides. Pull it out gently. Put small toys in their boxes. Cars in one. Blocks in another. Mama shows Sami a special shelf.
Each toy has a home.
Sami learns to fold his little blanket. Small squares, soft hands. He smiles. Folding feels like giving the blanket a hug. Time to put books on the shelf. Pages facing out like friendly windows.
One book is missing a page. Where did it go?
Behind the puzzle box. Easy find. Now back on the shelf. Now sweep tiny crumbs with a soft brush. Oh, gentle, not harsh. Wipe sticky spots with a damp cloth, quick and kind. Sami helps clean his favorite toy car. Gentle wipes make it shine. Uh-oh, a little sticker stuck on the doll's foot. Can Sami peel it? Slow and steady brawler. Peel gently so the toy stays happy. Put soft toys on a shelf to keep them cozy and dust-free. Sami hugs the teddy and whispers, "Sleep tight," as he places it away. Wait, huh? What's under the rug? A surprise discovery! It's a drawing he made. Mama sticks it on the wall. A proud moment. Now fold clothes into a tiny pile. Shirts, shorts, and cozy socks. Socks match pal. Find two alike and pair them up. Keep dirty clothes in the laundry bin, not on the floor. Check the toy box. Is everything in its right place? A tiny note falls from the shelf.
You are kind.
What will Sami do? He keeps the note in his pocket. A secret treasure for later. Make a tidy song, 2 lines and a clap. Time flies while we clean. Sing while you tidy. It makes the job quick and happy. Sami feels proud. His small hands did a big thing today. You earned it! You earned it! What if a guest visits? A tidy room tells a warm hello. Sami practices keeping his play table clear after each game. He learns to put away one toy before taking another. A tidy routine keeps play fun and accidents away. Sami learns to check the floor one last time before bed.
Good night. Sleep tight.
Before sleep, Mama asks, "What did you like most about today?"
I liked putting toys in their homes.
Tomorrow we tidy together again. Keep practicing. Small habits today make big champions tomorrow. Subscribe to GlowBabyTV. Next, we learn how to eat healthy like a hero.